To enable speak keyboard input Aloud in Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter the accessibility, and after that we can go to vision enhancement. Now scroll down and look for the speak keyboard input Aloud. If you activate this option, then if we open our keyboard and have a sound on our phone, which I don't, okay, we're back. So as you can hear, there's sounds coming off when I press on the buttons. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.